limiting your opponents because of the consistency of your defense?
Nagawa lang namin in the last 2 games, no? So we're not really sure about the consistency or how far we can take this, but we'll keep trying every game. We know we can score. We know, if I'm not mistaken, we're the highest scoring team, but we really need to make stops on the other end. So ngayon, medyo maayos yung depensa namin. Yung shooting namin dumating for the first 3 quarters, we weren't really shooting well. But because we like to get out in transition and to run, Bo had a great night tonight. We were in the game for the 3 quarters and then we got our shots in nung 4th. Kaya lang. Pero when you play Converge, you have to have a scheme against Arana, you have to have a scheme against Stockton. Nagko-contribute din yung ibang players nila, no? But we try to bring down their efficiency. These are on the average 60%ers. On the average, they'll make 60% of their shots, both of them. But tonight maybe naibaba namin yung kanilang efficiency, no? So yung depensa namin, present naman siya tonight, and then yung shooting namin ng 4th quarter dumating, so it was a comfortable finish for us.
Coach, it was quite unexpected because before the game, you mentioned that Adrian Ocampo was just in a game-time decision because of his fever, and then he completely sat out tonight. What was the decision behind it, and how did it change the team's game?
Hindi siya nakapag-practice ng 2 araw. Nilalagyan. So, nahawaan yata ng nahawaan yata ng gout ni Keith. Nakakahawa pala yung gout. 3 months ago.
Hello, Mike test.
Pero 2 days na siya hindi nagpa-practice, kaya gusto niya maglaro ngayon. Kaya lang tiniis ko muna na huwag paglaruin. Kung kaya rin lang nung mga gwardiya namin, kinaya naman, hindi naman talaga urgent na gamitin siya. Pero next game, gamitin na namin siya.
Coach, you fielded in Apple Paredes tonight. You said it was really bold to give him some time. Nakita naman natin how that worked. How would you assess Bo's triple-double, his first Junior Shine's first ever player to do it?
Ganun talaga pag tumatanda ka, tumatalino ka, no? I think he's rounded out his game really well. May offensa siya, meron siyang rebound. Ang laking bagay kasi ng pagkawala ni Keith. So talaga kailangan siyang mag-double time. And he's been doing that. He's been doing that for the team. Tsaka yung sabi ko, kinailangan namin si Papot just to have a bigger body. Pagkalaban mo sila Arana o yung mga ibang malalaki, hindi pwedeng si Bo lang, kailangan may siya karelyebo. So at least for 5-6 minutes may kukuha ng lugar niya. Nagawa naman ngayon ni Papot. So we're really not, anything na offense ni Papot is a bonus. But we just want him to be there, just getting physical against the bigs of the other team.
Thank you, Coach. Bo, hinga ka na ba? Congratulations. So this is your first triple-double of your career, first ever Rain or Shine global to do it. Were you aware of this in-game? Kailan mo na-feel na parang gumaganda yung triple na gano'n?
Hindi, lang na. Mas ang ko lang is, I'm really need to step up kasi si Papot kakapasok lang sa amin and he needs to gel with the group first. And then first thing, kailangan niya pag-aralan yung mga plays namin kahit nagaling na sa Coach Sheng. And masyadong kumbaga, yung naiwan na pwesto ni Keith. So kailangan kong ano talaga na mag-double time. I need to step up a little bit more. Pero yun nga, sa tulong ng mga kasama ko, mas nagiging madali. Mas nagiging ano, and I'm not really aware of yung mga triple doubles kasi may mga times naman ako na muntik-muntikan eh. Pero hindi ko pinipilit eh. So kanina sinasabihan nila ako na 1 assist na lang. So sabi ko, I'll try. Kung hindi, okay lang din naman.
Meron bang role ang nostalgia in how you played tonight? Kasi syempre you're donning the retro jersey of the Wildwood Dragons.
Hindi, syempre, ano to eh. Kumbaga, inaano lang sa amin ng mga boss namin kung paano nagsimula yung team namin as a franchise dito sa PBA, yun nga yung Wildwood Dragons. And parang kumbaga sa amin, gusto namin manalo eh, wearing this jersey. So talagang pinilit namin tonight to get the win.
Parang marami atang nagtatakam kung ano mo nakain mo before. Ano ba yung
Marami nakain.
Marami. Hindi, ano lang, the usual thing na ginagawa ko during game day. Pag if there's a time na makapagluto ng pagkain, we will do it. Kaya lang kagabi may nakahapon nagluto ako, may natira pa. Yun yung kinain namin. Yun yung kinain ko today. So, everybody knows that kasi nasa social media naman yun. So, yun yung tira-tira kagabi. So, yun yung kinain ko today.
Is there also this impression of you showing your young players marami rin nag-step up tonight? Sean Ildefonso, for example, how they're supposed to play, how Rain or Shine's identity should be like?
Yun yung inaano ko. First thing na pumasok sila dito, I need to teach them kung ano yung alalaman ko sa pagdating sa liga. On how to handle pressure, on how to play sa professional. Kasi ibang-iba eh. So dito, talagang nagagalit ako at times. Pero alam nila na yung galit ko na yun, at the end of the day, okay na eh. Parang si Coach nagagalit siya, pero wala eh. Ano lang naman eh, it's part of our job. And yun yung sinasabi sa amin ni Coach na mga professional player kayo, you need to know kung ano yung role nyo rito sa team.
At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Coach, kwento lang paano nagkaroon ng idea yung management sa Wildwood Dragons.
Hindi ko masyadong kabisado or alam, no? Basta nag-usap lang kami ni Jaire, no? Tapos dumating yung mga ganitong uniform. Tapos sabi ko, yan ba isusuot natin? O parang ano to, no? Parang gusto lang i-reminisce yung mga early days, no? ng franchise. Well coat pa nga, no? Retro, kumbaga, no? Kahit sa NBA naman may nagre-retro eh. So pahiyang na rin at the same time. At least naka-string kami ng 2 panalo, sana nga madagdagan pa. Pero it feels good, no? to wear yung ganitong jersey and uniform. And maraming nagko-comment na gusto nila yung Dragons, gusto nila yung history ng franchise. Kaya ako rin kaya ako nagse-settle dito sa franchise na to. Because it protected its good name all throughout. Inalagaan nila yung pangalan nila na they will play by the rules and they'll play fair and they will be ethical. So it's a good way to to recognize ng mga tao na dito nang galing yan. Hanggang ngayon, well coached sila. Ngayon, rain or shine sila. And ethically and character of team, the team, hindi naman nag-iba eh. There are ups and downs, but yung karakter ng team at yung values ng team hindi nag-iiba.
Yung kasi yung scoring mo nag-increase this confidence. Aside from sa sinabi na kailangan mo step up na wala sila kid, meron pa akong ginawa in the off-season para ma-improve yung offense mo?
Ano lang, awareness of how the system goes. Laging nire-remind sa amin ni Coach Cheng every single time we huddle na you need to improve your skills. And yun yung tinututukan ko eh. Outside shots, nandun, medyo pinapractice, and then at the same time, I practice also yung sa loob, not only sa labas. Kasi yung first 4 games namin, nag-struggle din ako eh. May 1 out of 18 yata ako the first 4 games. Kaya lang itong dalawa namin medyo okay. And then at the same time, yun nga, pagka nakakashoot ka sa labas, the tendency of the defense will rotate full. So yun naman yung time na nakakadiskarte ako umatake. Pag may humilk, nakakapasa ako. Kaya din nalilibre yung mga kasama ko eh. Kasi nga yung alam mo, pinakukumit mo yung mga depensa, and then ibabagsak mo sa kanila, mas madaling tira. So yun yung naano ko siguro.
Coach, para naman sa jersey nyo, ano ba yan? One night only lang ba yan? O may plano kayo?
Hindi ko alam eh, pero sinuwerte, baka maulit pa. Hindi natin alam yung mga bossing namin ang nagde-decide.
Thank you, Jen.